I don't run like I did back then. Takes a breath just to start again. Morning light finds lines on my face, but I've learned to move at a kind of pace. Plans I made didn't all come true. Some roads bent, some I outgrew. Still I found in the changing view, what stays with you is what you choose. We're just walking this road, step by step in time. Little sparks in a grand design. Every year brings a clearer sight. There's a quiet grace in another sunrise. No need to race.